we had a successful workshop conducting for the neighborhood hospital doctors for creating an awareness in treating the patients with the toxicology.
This workshop on toxicology, so wonderfully and thoughtfully conceived by the emergency team at SPARSH Nagar, is a really a great occasion for clinicians, emergency clinicians across the city to come together.
It's an overview about the toxicology approach in the emergency department. Gone are those days when we were seeing a lot of poisons which were related to organophosphorus, and it has gone way beyond. There are a lot of drugs, there are a lot of other narcotics, and there are a lot of things which causes. And when they come into emergency department, we at SPARSH are always ready to receive them, treat them accordingly, because it's not only giving the antidote, giving them the first aid and giving them the dialysis.
So we had a successful event today, had a good feedback from all the consultants in the various departments of the hospitals. The event was very good.
We are delighted that we have got faculties from across the state who are enthusiastic to learn and know about the various importance of these toxicologies and how we as doctors should be ready to treat them.
Toxicology sometimes goes into the background because emergency medicine deals with such a vast and diverse range of cases. So we are really glad that the emergency team at SPARSH Nagar has thought about this particular topic and is in a position to impart knowledge and training to clinicians across the city. We are also very thankful to the speakers who have made time and joined us here on this occasion to impart this training.